mali yun.
Ay, hindi pa tapos yan.
Ay, sorry.
We're just waiting for our boat. Nag-book na kami ng XL. So, tipid to kasi apat kami. So, apat kaming maghahati-hati sa mga sakay.
Man, natanggal na.
Thank you.
Bilog.
Last. Thank you. Kapong ka. Amoy ano, panghilot. Wow. Ta-da! So cute. I like it. Yay! Good morning.
Good morning.
Let's go na. It's already here. It's 9:50. Ay, 8:50 pala. Ha? Pabango? Pabango mo? Okay.
Sa facing there na hotel.
Yeah, ano siya? Sister dapat din.
Hindi ba sila sister twins? Kasi conjoined eh.
Okay.
Where do you pin her bags?
We have locked the whole day.
Ah, okay.
Bato-bato lang naman. Guys, di ako magluluto. Bilis mo magluto
Kasi naman, dapat yata nandun yung sa
Bilis
amin.
mo magluto.
Ay, naku.
Tom yum kung is gonna be like boiling the soup with mixed vegetable and that shrimp inside. Remember only 3 things, main ingredient for tom yum. Your lemongrass, kaffir lime leaf, galang gochujang. If you have 3 of this, everything will turn to be tom yum, okay? If you don't have time, you can put warm water inside, soak it for
Oo, parang spice.
it's not gochujang.
Shut.
It's
It's right.
Oh.
Kasi if you...
Leave that big piece because we don't eat. Okay, put it back size that you can eat. Freeze down. 6 to 8 pieces, proper size that you can eat. Freeze down, freeze down. Okay. Ready? Okay. Next one gonna be spring onion and Thai coriander together. Mint small, small, small. Smallest as you can. Okay. Chong pa ko si chong chong chong. Yeah. Uphan, and then what I second time. Shrimp orange, stop the gas, okay? When the shrimp turn orange, stop the gas, flip it.
Kunyari malinis tayong tao. National Stadium.
National Stadium.
Same. Same. Para mag-gets na. Ako ka. Wala.
Next station.
It's raining, man.
Sabi.
Guys, wala tayong payong. Ang lamig. Pasasal. Wala namang payong na doon.
Ligo na talaga.
O yung relo natin.
Wala na.
Happy birthday to me.
Park. Nandito ngayon tayo sa Asian City. O magkabilaan. Asian City.
Ang ganda. Guys, finally. Kain na tayo. tayo. Puti. Ayun na po yung sundo namin. With our driver, Mitch. To buffet, please.
Four.
Colorful ng ano ng platter.
Long gusto dyan. Gusto ko tubot mo din.
May favorite na akong dish.
Problem.
Dessert. Ha? Favorite talaga. Ayun o. Pinipilahan. Gata siya. Na may mais. Parang yung ano sa atin, maya. Sakto lang yung tamis. Hindi super duper tamis. Ito masarap. Let's go. It's so cool. Sarap. Yan pala.
Ito na. Kakain tayo? Ito.
Santaro. Pero I remember.
Sarap.
Lasang gulaman na hindi matamis.
Lasang gulaman na hindi matamis.
Diba?
Ito lang.
Ganun
Lasang
lang.
gulaman. Parang parang din, no? Yummy.
Sarap.
talaga.
Yeah.
Gagawa na nga.
Okay na. So, baka.
Asa?
Ikaw, wala yan. Ay, siya alam namin.
Go.
Buwang ka sabi.
Gustuhan? Okay lang.
Bakit?
Okay na ako.
Ano hindi ko na hinati?
So ko pa matry yung iba eh.
Try natin yan. Kaya parang
Magkano itong bili niya nila?
440. Ay, 60 kasama to.
Okay. Nice.
Wow! Yummy!
Ikaw naman. Yan. Sarap.
Ano kasi nakadalawa ako ng ano?
Okay na?
Beasted. Wait lang. Lagay mo to.
Biscuit. Ate, ba't ate?
Kapong ka!
That was wrong. Hawa na to niya ako.
I'm sorry guys.
Wait.
What to do? Tinuruan.
Wow! May shrimp.
What?
Wow!
Flip it. Then add vegetables. Oh, mix.
Sabi, tinuruan na tayo, di ba?
Don't burn it then. We're gonna eat it.
I will know.
We'll pay 90.
What's your name? Dada. I'm Kevin. This is
Then,
Ben. This is Abby.
she won't remember.
Okay, if you will go to Philippines, I will
We'll treat you.
will treat you everything.
It's okay if we post you in vlog.
Vlog, okay? This video. Okay? Oh, may sugar money.
Order mo, luto mo.
Ah!
Wow! Chef Ben.
Yon, yan. Ano pala?
Yun oh. Wow.
Michelin
Michelin.
Michelin.
Kapong ka.
Amigo, it's for you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Grabe. Natuto na talaga dun sa cooking food.
Yeah. Thai cooking
Thai
class.
cooking.
Yeah.